How to create Ghibli style image for free. Let's get started. I'm sure you have noticed that these Ghibli style images are trending on social media. If you want to create this kind of image, then this video is for you. You can use ChatGPT to generate Ghibli style images. So launch it. At the bottom, you're gonna find this prompt box. Click on the plus icon. You'll get different options. You can use the camera option or photos. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use the option photos. Your gallery will open up. Now go ahead and select the picture that you wanna convert to the Ghibli style. So I'm gonna select 2 pictures. Now here provide the prompt to regenerate these pictures in Ghibli style. It's gonna take some minutes, so you'll need to wait. And after some time, the picture will be converted to the Ghibli style. Here's the image. Look at the quality. This is just amazing. Look at the detailing of the image. This is just perfect. So follow the same steps. Click on the plus icon, select the picture, provide the prompt, and wait for a few minutes. The picture will be generated in Ghibli style. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.